Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe this channel. First, we know about this playlist Playwright automation tool using TypeScript language. In this list, first we introduce the Playwright overview. So let's see what topics we can cover in this video. So as we know, automation tool is a very significant role from the agile teams. As scope is increasing, new open source tools are releasing day by day. So Playwright is one open source tool. So first we know about the what is Playwright, why we are choosing Playwright, what are the advantages of Playwright, and what are the types of testing can cover in using Playwright tool, and what are multiple languages support, and what are debugging tools we can use for Playwright, and what are the limitations of Playwright automation. So let's see one by one. First, what is the Playwright? Playwright, it is a very open source tool and it's initially developed by Microsoft. It is very most popular with Node.js, with JavaScript and TypeScript. So we can use any of the language like JavaScript or TypeScript, and Java language also we can use. But if we use TypeScript, very efficient way we can write tests. We can identify condition checks in while preparing scripts only if we use TypeScript. And likewise, Playwright enables reliable its end-to-end testing for modern web applications. So next, why we choose Playwright? Playwright, it is new to the market. It is hardly listed the limitations. It supports multiple languages. So we can migrate easily from Selenium to Playwright using C#, Java, and Python. So we can easily migrate from this Java Selenium to Playwright using any type of programming language, JavaScript or TypeScript. And it is protocol to write powerful and stable automation tests. And let's see what are the advantages if we use Playwright. This is easy setup and configuration. It is just needs a configuration in the installation, does not take much time. Depending on the language, it will be varies the setup. And next, it will support the multiple browsers, Chromium browsers, Chrome and Edge. This one, and Safari and Firefox also it will support. And parallel, it will support the parallel browser testing. Like Playwright, it supports the execution of simultaneous tests through browser context and run parallel tests with multiple browsers. So it will scale up testing comes handy when multiple web pages must be tested simultaneously. And it is built support for multiple browsers, multiple window. Like some test case must verify the scenario by launching a new window and returning to the parent window. In that case, Playwright supports different types of test cases. And coming to reports, Playwright framework by default comes with many valuable reporters like JSON, JUnit, HTML reports. The exciting part in the Playwright is we can create custom reporters. Playwright also supports third-party reporters like using Allure report, for example, that one. And coming to CI/CD integration, it will support the CI/CD integration. It even provides Docker images for some language bindings. Not only this advantage, it will support to the iframe support and test retry. You can take video and audio screenshots. That one. And coming to what are the testing types it has involved in the Playwright. Playwright supports functional end-to-end testing and API testing it will support. It can be integrated with accessibility testing with the help of the third-party plugin. And it will, as we discussed, multiple languages it will support like C#, Java, Python, JavaScript, and TypeScript, making it a popular choice. What are the debugging tools we can use for the Playwright? Like it's a Playwright Inspector, VS Code, Debugger, Browser Developer Tools, Trace Viewer Console Logs, and supports different debugging options. It's easy to for the developer friendly. And what are the limitations of Playwright automation? So Playwright, it is new, so it's still evolving, scope for improvement. It won't support for the i11 and it doesn't support for native mobile apps. So this is all about Playwright. So far we have discussed what is Playwright and why we are choosing Playwright and what are the advantages if you use Playwright tool and what are the testing types we can do and what are multiple languages it will support for Playwright and what are the debugging tools we can limitation, what are the limitations if you use Playwright automation for the applications. So far we discussed these things, and next topic we'll discuss about how to set up the Playwright and how to install using Node.js with the TypeScript. We'll see next video. Please like and subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.